Looking for reliable tools that combine convenience and strength? Our review of the best folding knives will guide you through top choices, durability, and sharpness. Perfect for outdoor adventures, everyday carry, and precision tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Kershaw Folding Knives. Kershaw folding knives, particularly the Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife, are often celebrated by enthusiasts as one of the most reliable everyday carry options on the market. This knife combines affordability with practicality, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned users. The drop-point partially serrated edge, crafted from 8CR 13MOV stainless steel, ensures excellent edge retention, strength, and durability. The partial serrations make slicing through fibrous materials like rope or cardboard effortless, while the black oxide coating enhances both corrosion resistance and aesthetic appeal. One of the standout features of this knife is its robust glass-filled nylon handle, which is contoured for finger placement, providing a secure and comfortable grip, even during extended use. The handle is finished in sleek black and includes a reversible pocket clip, allowing versatile tip-up or tip-down carry for right-handed users. Safety is also a priority, as Kershaw has integrated assisted opening with a built-in flipper, allowing one-handed operation, while the liner lock ensures the blade remains securely in place during use. Whether you're tackling daily utility tasks, outdoor adventures, or even light-duty tactical applications, the Kershaw Clash delivers consistent performance and reliability. Its combination of thoughtful design, solid materials, and affordability makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable folding knife that balances functionality with style. In short, the Kershaw Clash stands out as a well-rounded, durable, and easy-to-use pocket knife that lives up to its reputation in the knife community. Number 2. CIVIVI Folding Knives. The CIVIVI folding knife is an exceptional everyday carry tool that emphasizes precision, ergonomics, and smooth operation. One of the most notable aspects of this knife is its practical and versatile blade design, featuring a 0.12-inch thin sharp point that excels at piercing and cutting tasks. The blade's strong action ensures decisive cuts without requiring excessive effort, making it a reliable companion for both outdoor enthusiasts and daily users. Complementing the blade is the lightweight Quaborsha wood handle, ergonomically shaped to provide a secure and comfortable grip in any hand size. This handle not only feels premium, but also enhances the knife's aesthetic appeal with its natural wooden texture. Smooth deployment is another highlight, thanks to the ball-bearing pivot system that allows the blade to open effortlessly, making one-handed operation seamless. Portability is well considered as well. The reversible deep carry pocket clip ensures the knife sits discreetly in the pocket while remaining easily accessible, blending convenience with functionality. While the knife is not oversized, it feels substantial in hand, striking a perfect balance between carry comfort and performance. Furthermore, CIVIVI's commitment to quality is evident through their lifetime warranty, covering any material or workmanship defects, with a responsive USA service center ready to assist users. Overall, the CIVIVI folding knife combines precision, durability, and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for collectors, outdoorsmen, and everyday users who want a reliable, aesthetically pleasing, and smooth operating knife that can handle a variety of cutting tasks with confidence and ease. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Folding Knives. Smith & Wesson folding knives deliver a robust and versatile solution for those seeking a dependable everyday carry knife that can handle both routine and emergency tasks. With an overall length of 8.6 inches and a blade length of 3.6 inches, this knife offers a balanced design that is substantial yet manageable in the hand. The blade, made from high-carbon 4034 black oxide stainless steel, ensures both durability and reliable edge retention, while the black aluminum handle with a rubber inlay provides comfort and a secure grip during extended use. Practicality is a key feature, as the knife includes quick access elements such as a pocket clip, flipper/finger actuator, and MAGIC-assisted opening, allowing fast, smooth deployment with minimal effort. Safety is not overlooked, with both liner and safety locks ensuring the blade remains secure while in use or stored. The Smith & Wesson knife also includes thoughtful tools for emergency preparedness, such as a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, making it ideal for outdoor activities, self-defense situations, or even daily urban tasks. The combination of a sturdy construction, versatile safety features, and functional design makes this knife a reliable companion for anyone who values utility and durability. Whether you are an outdoor adventurer, first responder, or simply someone who appreciates a well-made folding knife, Smith & Wesson offers confidence in performance, easy handling, and durable materials that stand up to demanding use. Overall, it's a well-rounded, dependable knife that combines practicality with safety and reliability. Number 4. Spyderco Folding Knives. The Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight Folding Knife is engineered for endurance and versatility, making it an excellent choice for tactical, everyday, and outdoor applications. The full flat-ground 8CR 13 MOV stainless steel blade offers remarkable edge retention and toughness, ensuring long-lasting performance even under demanding use. Spyderco pays attention to ergonomics with a fiberglass reinforced nylon, FRN, handle featuring the brand's signature bidirectional texture pattern. This design provides a secure, non-slip grip, enhancing control in both wet and dry conditions. The knife's cutting performance is highly versatile, with options including plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge blades, allowing users to choose the right configuration for their cutting needs, whether precise slicing or heavy-duty work. Spyderco's reliable liner lock mechanism ensures secure blade lockup and smooth one-handed operation, emphasizing both safety and convenience. Customizable carry options further enhance practicality, as the 4-position pocket clip allows tip-up or tip-down carry for both left and right-handed users, making it adaptable to personal preferences. Lightweight yet durable, the Tenacious Lightweight is built to withstand rigorous use without sacrificing portability. Ideal for hikers, campers, tactical users, or anyone who demands reliability from a folding knife, the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight excels at combining strength, comfort, and precision. Its thoughtful design, robust materials, and versatile blade options ensure that users can handle a wide variety of tasks efficiently. Number 5. Wakeman Roll Mat for Backpacking. The Wakeman Roll Mat for Backpacking is an exceptional accessory for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort, portability, and functionality. Designed with a half-inch thick premium foam, this sleeping mat provides superior cushioning, ensuring a restful night's sleep even on rough or uneven terrain. Its high-density EVA foam construction offers durability and resilience, maintaining shape and comfort over time, while providing a protective layer against the cold, wet ground. Weighing just 1 pound and measuring a compact 24 inches by 7 inches when rolled, the mat is incredibly portable, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or any adventure where packing light is essential. The textured non-slip surface enhances grip and stability, preventing unwanted movement during sleep while also contributing to overall warmth. The open dimensions of 72 inches by 24 inches accommodate most users comfortably, giving enough length and width for unrestricted movement. Despite its lightweight design, the mat does not compromise on protection or comfort, striking a perfect balance between usability and convenience. Whether you're backpacking through rugged trails, setting up camp at a festival, or simply sleeping outdoors, the Wakeman Roll mat ensures a comfortable and supportive sleeping experience. Its easy roll-up design allows for quick storage and transport, and the durable materials guarantee long-lasting performance. Overall, the Wakeman Roll mat is an excellent choice for adventurers, hikers, and campers who value comfort, portability, and practicality in a lightweight, easy-to-carry sleeping solution that enhances any outdoor experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.